With threats from China, Russia, and elsewhere, the United States is increasingly turning to artificial intelligence to protect national security.
Yeah, here's the deal. They're using robots and drones now, and researchers from UMBC on the cutting edge.
WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live on campus with a fascinating look at the technology. Mike.
Kelsey, Rick, they're doing fascinating research here, millions of dollars worth in this nondescript building on campus. The robots are continually getting smarter, and they could be key to protecting our national defenses and helping out in the event of a disaster. You're looking at the future. Robots married with artificial intelligence. A powerful combination.
This weapon will be powerful, versatile, and indestructible.
We're not talking the Terminator, but the technology does have real-world applications for national security and beyond.
You can send this out in the field and it'll do, in our case, a surveillance job 24/7 for you.
UMBC students and professors showed us some of what they're working on in the lab.
You can crawl into a space where no human being can actually go. It never gets tired, never gets bored. Essentially, a robot is an extension, a very powerful extension of the human ability.
When I close my hand, it turns. When I open it, it goes forward.
This robot is being controlled remotely and could be the eyes and ears of a soldier on the battlefield.
And then we want it to be able to relay that information back to the soldier so the soldier can make a decision.
And there are drones small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. They could be sent into dangerous situations like buildings that have collapsed after an earthquake, like the one that recently devastated Turkey and Syria.
To look for objects, for humans, for casualties, and they can make their own decisions.
A human can monitor their movements and also provide some measure of control.
We always don't really want the robots to be making the final decision, so there has to be a human in the loop.
These robots are being controlled remotely and are learning to work together and get around obstacles. Again, going places humans can't or shouldn't go because it's too dangerous, and they could be controlled from the other side of the globe.
Being situated 1,000 miles away from that battlefield still can contribute your intelligence, your expertise.
They're also at work on cybersecurity, stopping cars from getting hacked. Today's vehicles communicate with each other, and if someone can break into that communication, it could be disastrous.
They don't have to drop a bomb or do anything physically. They can literally, from a remote setting, take control of a car or multiple cars and create an accident there.
Do all the testing, all the crashing, all the dangerous aspects here, make sure it works.
Artificial intelligence and robotics, a combination critical to national defense, expanding human capabilities.
Literally, sky is the limit. I mean, it depends on your imagination.
And as smart as these robots are becoming, there's still a lot more work to do, but we certainly want to thank the people here at UMBC for showing us some of their hard work. They should be very proud. Reporting live in Catonsville, Mike Helgren, WJZ.